Hi friends, welcome to day 26 of our 28 Days of Pilates challenge. We've got 2 days to go. This is our last full body routine, so we're just going to dive straight on into it with a little set of heel trots. So come to parallel. I should actually do it facing. I'll do it to the side so you can see, but I'm sure you'll know what this is. Come to parallel, find that nice tall spine, arms down by the side. Get that head up on top of the spine, position of the head on the spine. So important for every single thing that you do, okay? So the head tends to be here because we're like this all the time, or we're kind of here. Get the ears over the shoulders, get the head up on that spine, get your eye gaze on the horizon. Relax the shoulders down the back, reach the knuckles towards the floor, the fingers to help with that. Opening through the front of the body, so feel nice and supported through your center, through the corset muscle group, if you want to call it that. Corset muscle, your glutes, hamstrings, all the things, rambling on. Good, coming into heel trots, but first of all, connecting to our breath. So breathe wide and full into the ribs, and then release. And then one more breathing in, and then release. Good. So we're coming into a little set of heel trots. Lift the right heel off the mat, hands to the hips, or just keep them where they are. And then you're just gonna switch and switch. So it's a little kind of pump for the calf as well. You're really thinking of that support you're giving yourself. So you're holding yourself nice and stable through the hips, through the spine, eyes gaze on the horizon. Think of that long, tall spine, head up. And then just pump the legs. So lift one heel, and as you bring the heel down, really press down through the back of the foot, back through the back of the leg, I should say. Good, so get the back line working. Check in on the alignment. If you need to, take a quick look down, knees forward over the toes. Really important too. Beautiful work, and then just enjoy it, lifting and lowering for 3, for 2, and 1. This is a great one you can do when the kettle's boiling. Well, we've done them already this week, haven't we? Good. Okay, from here, 1 foot forward, 1 foot back into a little lunge. So if you want to bring the arms into this, feel free. Hip distance or wider, lengthen up through the crown of the head. If you want to bring the arms into it, you're going to lunge down, bring the arms forward, and then back up, but keep looking forwards. Quick check in on the knee, front leg, look at your alignment. And if you can, you're getting the knee to the floor. If you can, that's to work your through range hip movement on the leg that's actually doing all the, well, not the leg that's doing all the work, on the front leg. Good, so through range hip. Keep centering as you drop down, keep reaching and relaxing the shoulder blades down the back. I was doing dynamic with the arms, wasn't I? Yep. Good, last 2. Last one, guys, staying down, little set of pulses here, we can do it. Center. Breathe in, relax the shoulders, little pulses down, down, down. We've got this, we've got this. It's all good. Breathe, enjoy. For 3, and 2, and 1. Beautiful, step it up. Give the legs a little shake out, and we're gonna switch positions with the legs to come do the other side. Bringing one leg back, one leg forward, straight into it. So centering, eyes forward, keeping that nice support for yourself. Breathe it out. Trying to work that through range movement in the hips. 2, we've got it. Last one, a little bit of work here. Staying down, little pulses, we're nearly done. Good. Breathe it out. There's nothing you can't do. Watch that leg creeping in, keep it forward. 3, 2, and 1. Press up, step that leg through, and then woo, yes, pedaling out the legs. Good job, guys, so good. Doing a little bit of chest opening now and pulses. So from here, stay nice and parallel with the legs. Bring the arms forward, press them back. Good. Beautiful work, opening the shoulders. So really good one for your posture. Again, as you press the arms back, press down into the feet and grow tall. So connections, build that awareness. Last one. Open the arm, keep the arms behind you. You're gonna pulse the arms back, back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then pulse the thumbs in towards one another for 10. 9, keep tall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then release the arms forward. Give the shoulders a roll. Up, down and around forwards. Up, down and around backwards. And then you're going to bring yourself down onto your mat. So you'll have seen I took my mat away. I said this earlier in the challenge. When I'm doing standing work, I prefer to have my feet connected to the floor so I can feel more what I'm doing. Good. Anyway, coming down to the mat. Bringing yourself into relaxation position for a little set for the core. We're going to come into double knee fold, one leg at a time. You know what to do by now. Bring the arms overhead, bring that head into the hands, elbows wide. As you exhale, chin to chest, curling up to that center. You're looking just down as you curl up to the pubic bone or the thighs. And you know you're trying to get yourself up to the tips of those shoulder blades, staying wide through the upper mid-back. So elbows reaching away. You're connecting deeply to that transverse muscle, that deep core. As you bring yourself up and you're lengthening down. Good, so good. We've got 3 more. Final push, guys. This is it. This is the last full body. Now I've lost count. 1 more. And then bring yourself all the way back down. Bring the feet down. Good. We're going to see if we can come into teaser. We can challenge ourselves a little bit here. Double knee fold. If it's not working for you, then just stick with what we were doing. Bring the arms all the way up and all the way overhead. Taking a breath in. As you exhale, relax those shoulders to the mat. Bring the arms up. You're going to come into your curl up. So start to take chin to chest, curling up. Find your little tipping point and then see if you can bring yourself into teaser. Pull the heart forward, breathing out. You're going to bring yourself all the way back down. Maybe you're just doing this, curling up to here, which is absolutely fine. Wherever you've progressed to, wherever you are progressing to, know that everyone is at different points in the journey and we're all going to be learning at different rates. We've got 1 more. It comes, trust it, stick with it. I promise you, these little boosts that you give yourself, so beneficial. And then bring yourself back down. Going to hug the legs in, find a little bit of work here. We're going to finish with 2 rollovers. Stack 1 leg, stack the other leg, straighten them, send the legs away. Legs all the way overhead. Disconnect, flex the ankles, piece by piece. Land in that spine. Circle the legs, bring them back in. Deep scoop. Disconnect. You're only on the tips of those shoulder blades. You're not on your neck. Breathing out. Circling the legs. Hug them in. Good job. Well done. That is an advanced exercise. It takes a while to come. So whatever your level at, just stick with it and know that if you do keep showing up and you keep doing these little 10 minutes or 15 minutes, however much time you've got a day or every other day, it all comes together. I absolutely promise you. Roll over, press yourself up. Good job. We've got 2 days left in our challenge, guys. You should feel immensely proud of yourself if you've made it to this day. I'll see you back on your mat tomorrow. Bye.